How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, Expert Locksmith. Just to show you how to replace a battery on this aftermarket Mercedes key. A little bit different than the OEM, and how to change the board, which is a little bit more complex. Okay, change the battery. We'll take the insert key out, which is very simple. Simply move the spring and pop it out. Once you take it out, you can just use the key. Here you press and you feel the click, and here's the battery. To take it out, obviously from here there's no problem. We just need to help it a little, and it's out. For the board, we need to open, take those, help it a little to take it out. This is one, that's the second one. Once it's out, careful on the spring, this one not to get lost. So over here again, you press, gently take it out, because as you see, this one get to pop out. From here we can simply little pressure to open it, and here we have it. Okay, so that's basically how to remove the battery, replace the board. If I want to put now a new board, there's no problem. For example, for proximity, we can put it in. Okay, so how to put it in. So this is a proximity board. Let me see, we take this one.
No, it's not proximity, but it's
put it in. Over here you make sure that it sits right. So it's a little bit hard when the camera is with the camera, but let's see again. Okay. This one does simply in, and the switch, yes, just gonna pop it in. No, sorry. Yeah, it's here. Those two, there is only one way you can go in. So you try this side. If it doesn't work, you go to the other side. This way. Okay, from here, just a little help. So it's in, put the battery back, and the insert, and that was it. How to replace a battery, change the board. If, for example, you have a shell and you want to put a proximity board, or if you have a key. Thank you again, Sam, Expert Locksmith.